Hey, welcome to Shimmer Blast. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute Ghirardelli Squares chocolate Christmas tree gift for a neighbor or for a coworker or for a teacher gift. This is a super easy Christmas gift. I just bought the big bag of Ghirardelli chocolate squares at Costco. So I'm going to start by building the base. You want the two chocolates to be facing out so that the logo is on the outside. And the way these glue dots line up, it's actually really easy to just place your chocolate right on the two glue dots and then stick those together. If you put hot glue on there, you take the risk of damaging the chocolate, melting it, or causing it to come out of temper, which can turn it into that chalky white color. Will Costco always have these? I don't know, but for the past 2 years, it has been consistent that Linder chocolates go on sale right before Thanksgiving, and the Ghirardelli chocolates go on sale right after Thanksgiving. So 2 glue dots on the seam and 1 in the center middle, and then just alternate colors up. And then with your trunk, you're just going to take one of the square chocolates that does not have any of the caramel in it and break it directly in half. And don't bust open your package here. And then put a glue dot on each side on the corner. And then just kind of open up and then clamp that chocolate together. I have these half pearl accent pieces that I'll glue 3 on. To make a bow, just make your bunny ear and then go around the bunny ear and tuck that end section up to make another bunny ear and then pull it tight on itself. Put the glue dot for the bow so it touches on both sides and then just straighten out your bow top. Look how adorable. If you want to see more party ideas or craft ideas, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.